Hello, today we will guide you through how to view payment activity on Meta Business Suite. To get started, open Meta Business Suite in your browser and make sure you are in the correct business account. This is important, especially if you manage more than one business, because payment details are tied to the specific account you are viewing. Once the dashboard loads, take a moment to orient yourself on the main home screen. From there, look to the bottom left side of the screen and click on Settings. This area is where Meta places many of the account level and business management options. So if you're looking for billing or payment related details, this is the right place to begin. After clicking Settings, you will be taken to a more detailed business settings view. Next, focus on the navigation menu on the left-hand side. Scroll down through that menu until you find the billing section. Depending on your screen size or browser zoom level, you may need to scroll a little further to see it clearly. If things look slightly different on your account, don't worry. Meta sometimes updates the layout, but the billing option is usually still located within the Settings navigation. Once you find it, click on Billing and Payments. This section brings together the financial side of your Meta business account, including payment methods, charges, and other billing-related information. It is the central place to review how your account has been charged and how payments have been processed. After the Billing and Payments page opens, look for the Payment Activity option and click on it. This is where you can view the history of transactions connected to your account. In this area, you'll typically be able to review charges, completed payments, and other billing events associated with your business activity. If you are checking payment activity for reconciliation or record keeping, it can be helpful to review the dates and amounts carefully to confirm everything matches your expectations. Taking a few extra seconds here can save time later if you need to verify charges or investigate a billing question. And that's it. Once you click into payment activity, you'll be able to review the payment history available for your Meta Business Suite account. Thanks for following along, and we hope this helped you quickly find the billing information you needed.